Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by confirming S mode and preparing your account. First, open Settings and verify the edition shows Windows in S mode. Once done, make sure you're signed into the Microsoft account that's linked to the device, otherwise the store won't accept changes. Also, confirm a stable internet connection since the store handles the switch. Now open Microsoft Store and search for Switch out of S mode. This is the first actionable change you must initiate to continue the process. Next, use the Microsoft Store to perform the actual switch. This is a one-way change. In the store, locate the Switch out of S mode or Get button on that page, then select it and follow prompts. There's no cost. Make sure you read the confirmation, because once confirmed, the device can install apps outside the store. After the store completes the process, you'll get a confirmation message. If you plan to install new apps, wait until that message appears, and then proceed. Finally, complete the transition by restarting and verifying the change. Once the store confirms the switch, restart the PC to ensure all policies update, then revisit settings about to confirm S mode is disabled. If the store shows an error, update Windows and the store app, sign out and sign back into your Microsoft account, and retry. As a troubleshooting tip, make sure no enterprise or school policies manage the device. Those settings can block switching, and you'll need admin or IT removal before changing S mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.